Hello and welcome back. Let me just check everything here. Move this. Throw this in the trash. Microphone is turned up. Should have turned it up. Yep. And sound is looking alright. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, okay. I just had to double check because I got fucked so many times not fixing audio or closing Steam or Telegram or anything else. Alright, so before I get into the analysis today we'll do a daily market scan. I would like to say that I do have a Discord, like I was mentioned. Feel free to hop in the Discord. Nothing there is monetized. It's not a sales channel or anything like that. I don't have any courses, any mentorships, or anything like that. We're just a bunch of dudes, bro. It's a bunch of homies that trade. That's like the Discord summarized up. All right, so interesting developments here are the rhetoric in the Iran war. Anything else when we're looking at headline risk becomes completely irrelevant. If you look in the Discord, what the fuck are the Timmy drones? So not politics, news, yeah. So Sharker here posted this yesterday. He said Trump signals possible end to war, floats removing oil sanctions, right? He said war might end soon. And then Trump changes rhetoric. U.S. unleashing most intense day of Iran strike so far. And this is, so I have to be a little bit careful when I talk about this because I was about to say, catch myself slipping there and say, this is good. It's obviously not good. There's thousands and thousands of dead civilians. It's a tragedy. But in strict terms of trading, right? You have to be pragmatic. Like I say all the time. The candle doesn't give a shit how you feel, what your political beliefs are. And this is our job. This is my job. War is sad, but it's good that Trump is giving out such mixed rhetoric because when we did the 1 hour long video for the weekly recap where I spoke to Sharker, he was like, well, how do I know shit is priced in? Look at this. It's not priced in. It's not. Just because of this rhetoric. There is no way of knowing what the fuck is going on. And that's why you guys could take the possibility to catch BOs on it. Also, now should be a week since I started the 300K challenge. So let's have a look at that as well. For those that don't know what that is, I opened a $100,000 live account, as you can see here, to showcase how the other side of my hedge fund does. Because the trading I post is long term. And I have two profiles for it. Also have Actron Aggression. And this is just showcasing how Actron Aggression works. Let me see if I'm correct. Because I only want to showcase this once a week. There's no point just showing it every day. What the fuck does... Oh, it says right here. Yeah, 3rd of March. So we're a week in. Yeah, we're a week in. And I'll show it next week as well. So as you can see so far, I'm up 9.4%. It's looking alright. Win rate is 84%. So things are pretty consistent. I mean, if you're in the Discord, if you're one of the dudes, you know my win rate hovers 82, 84%. And it has for years, forever. The strat kind of... I know a lot of people on Reddit, I got banned for saying it doesn't, but a lot of people on Reddit say that, well, you can't have win rate higher than 60% when you're price action trading. How the fuck can you even say that? How goofy are you, bro? Like, do you know everything about fucking price trading, every single strat on earth? How the fuck can you say that? What if someone runs a 0.2 R? He's gonna have a 95% win rate. Still gonna lose money. And also, you don't know every single strat, how everything works. But regardless of that, like I've also mentioned in the Discord, I said it before opening this, I will only be scalping gold. I'm not gonna fuck with the oil because of the gapping. Fuck all that. So it has only been gold trades, and I've had quite a lot of good trades right now. It has been nice. And as you can see, the average R is 7.61. That means my wins are 6.1 times bigger than my losses, with a win rate of 84.62%. Live account through CTrader, $100,000 deposited. Now it's 109. Again, this is not really a sustainable way of trading with the Act on Aggression. I don't want to get into it because I don't want people in my Discord to start trading like that. I don't teach this kind of trading. It's for the gamblers in my hedge fund. But it would be fun to see if I can turn 100 grand into 300. And I deposited 100 knowing I don't give a shit if I lose 100 grand. So don't do this. Don't do this to your trading account. Now let's get to the market scan. Looking at SPY, it has dropped a little bit, but it's nothing compared to anything. Like we're still like it went back up. It's kind of like a small pullback. It's nothing like the tariffs or anything like that. There's been no huge drop, no panic. I made a whole video on that. A lot of people are confused in the Discord on why it's not dropping. I made a big ass video on that. So it does make sense, but to an extent, those things are barriers, bro. They're not going to make the economy immune. Okay. Anyways, SPY is still on that healthy uptrend. As you can see right here, I'm kind of breaking it a little bit, but I mean, just draw it like that as well. Gives a shit. Still on that uptrend. The dollar index is still stable some fucking how. It has been forever now, which is nice. Makes it easier to trade. Now let's get into the pairs. Let's hop down to the 1 day time frame. Here we have what looks like a very interesting formation. So I'm going to mark it. I'm not going to talk too much about it. And then in the end, I'll put it in potentials and we'll scrutinize and we'll discuss them. This is the ATH one. Yeah. What is it? Probably another ATH. Okay. These are cross pairs though. Hold on, give me a second. Sorry about this. Let me mute. Sorry, I had to blow my nose. I opened my window and it's blowing a little bit in. When it blows at me, my nose always gets runny. Sharker, if you're watching, this is the inverted candle we were talking about. Inverted hammer. Yeah, these. And you posted questioning about the indecision candle here. And then Timmy came in. Yeah, Timmy mentioned the doji. That's what they're called. Yeah, we need dojis or just tight indecision candles. And Ice mentioned he has issues with it as well. Yeah. So it's not the best indecision candle. We'll talk about it when it's in the pair list though. Too late. I'm quite surprised by how well the SRIs have held. Because we skipped that 1 week of drawing. When I came back, everything was fine. Right now, it is looking. It's a continuation too. I haven't seen one of those in a while. I was about to say, what the fuck? And then I saw oil. I mean, shit, there's a trade to be made here. There's gonna come one. I'd watch the moves on this. This shit is gonna break out in any direction. Alright, so let's see. We have quite a few potentials here now summed up. Let me see how much. 2 cross pairs. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Let's drop this. Don't want that much crosshair exposure. And let's get oil up in there. So for the Euro CAD, here we're on the BO side instead of the CR side of things now, but this is a pair that you can see it hasn't been affected too much. So here you can expect a normal CR as well, but I'd lean towards the side of BO. Imagine sort of like being a judge in this scenario where it has to be a CR proven beyond reasonable doubt before you believe that it is a CR, just because how heavy BO we're leaning. So in that sense, I mean, yeah, you can get a CR on it. The pair hasn't been affected too much. The AUD CAD is fine in that sense. But both options are there. This one is already triggered for a BO. It's not too late to enter it. Usually I would say that, but just because of how things are moving right now, because of how things are moving now, I'd say it isn't too late to enter the BO. You'd want a pretty strict with the SR. Yeah, get your sell loss right by the support, and you can enter on that one. I can actually post this one in the Discord right now. Was it in general too? Fuck it. Yeah, this one is fine. Things have so much volume in them now as well. Don't carry this over if some truce is put out though or anything. It's just that we're getting extra volatility in things now. This could be either lopsided selling for shares as well, but I'm not going to dig into the fundamentals of it. So here we do have potential CR. You can see this pair has not really been affected as well, but it's not the best indecision candle, so potential would look something like that. Keep in mind that I'm not entering any of these trades myself because I'm at my monthly cap way over it. My monthly max is 10%, but I accidentally hit, or not accidentally, or it kind of was. It was on purpose, but there's no way that wasn't luck. I hit 20% in one trade, so I'm done for the month. So yeah, this is a valid CR right here. Let me mark the ones that are valid right now here. Like that. As for this one right here, I'd wait and see how it develops. This indecision candle looks nice. You can pop down on lower time frames to see what's going on. Here we have very clean CR as well. If you want to wait for the 1 day, you can do that. If not, you can enter on the 12-hour as well. As for GBP AUD, here we also have a BO that's basically triggering right now that you can enter. Have a bit of a longer sell loss on this one. Let me show you what I mean. Don't never do big ass BOs, but something like that. And I would do personally a 1.5 on this one, and I'd rather get the 2.0 through extension And use a dynamic, for fuck's sake. Like, you should be moving your sellers so fast with these BLs. Like, if it's halfway there and you're not at BE, like, what the fuck? What are you doing, bro? Fuck out of here. And people say that in New York all the time. First time I was there, I was like, what? So you want to fight? And that's just like way of talking. They're like, oh, fuck out of here. That could be a good thing too. Like, oh, fuck out of here. Like, it can mean anything. Fuck out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Did you really get that? Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, so it can mean whatever you want. As for the oil, the golden peer, so to speak, metaphorically, it is the black gold. Here, there's strong movements. You can enter here. You can look for the bottom. You can wait and see how it develops. But it's gonna move so much with Trump's rhetoric. If you open something here and it's still open on Friday, close that shit. Don't hold it through the weekend. We'll also discuss it in the Discord, how those develop. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, it won't be that long. I'll actually do another market scan tomorrow, unless some crazy shit happens, like Trump nukes Iran. Then no, because I have to be in a bomb shelter. Just kidding. I wouldn't go in a bomb shelter, bro. I just wouldn't upload because shit would be gapping. Besides that, keep in mind, if you like the video, my Discord will be linked in the description, where the trading boys hang out. That's all I got for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.